Boost surfing fin installs on any surf table in minutes with simple tools that you already have.
Once installed, the electric surf fin can be controlled by any smartphone, Apple or Android.
It provides 20 pounds of motor thrust, helping you move with ease between different sessions, thus resulting in a less fatigue. And when the waves come, with BoostFin you'll be riding faster. The BoostFin only weighs 1.7 pounds and can be installed on any table. A variety of adapters are supplied: Longboard, FCS 1 and 2, Future, Softboard tails.